Home remedies for swollen feet, step-by-step solutions for quick relief. Are you tired of dealing with swollen feet and seeking effective home remedies for relief? Look no further. In this comprehensive video, we provide detailed step-by-step instructions on various techniques to alleviate swelling and discomfort in your feet. Discover the power of contrast hydrotherapy, therapeutic massage, Epsom salt soak, ginger's anti-inflammatory benefits, dandelion's diuretic properties, the importance of exercise, and maintaining a magnesium-rich diet. Say goodbye to swollen feet and regain your mobility with these simple yet effective remedies. Understanding the problem. Swollen feet can indicate fluid buildup, known as edema. We delve into the causes and implications of this condition, emphasizing the importance of addressing it promptly for overall foot health. Technique 1. Contrast hydrotherapy. Step into the therapeutic world of contrast hydrotherapy, a method that utilizes warm and cold water to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling. Follow these steps for optimal results. Fill 2 foot tubs with water, one with cold water and the other with warm water. Immerse your feet in the warm water for 3 to 4 minutes. Switch to the cold water and immerse your feet for approximately 1 minute. Alternate between the two temperatures for a duration of 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this process multiple times a day until the swelling subsides. Technique 2. Therapeutic massage. Unleash the power of a relaxing foot massage to relieve muscle tension, stimulate blood flow, and reduce swelling. Here's how to perform a foot massage at home. Apply warm mustard oil or olive oil to the swollen area. Gently massage the area in an upward direction for approximately 5 minutes. Remember not to exert excessive pressure during the massage. Repeat this massage technique multiple times a day, preferably after taking a bath for better absorption. Technique 3. Epsom salt soak. Dive into the soothing world of Epsom salt, renowned for its ability to reduce swelling and alleviate discomfort. Follow these steps to create your own Epsom salt foot soak. Fill a foot tub with warm water and add half a cup of Epsom salt. Stir the water to dissolve the salt thoroughly. Soak your feet in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the magnesium sulfate to penetrate your skin and improve blood flow. Repeat this foot soak up to 3 times a week for optimal results. Technique 4. Ginger's anti-inflammatory benefits. Explore the natural anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and learn how it can help reduce swelling in your feet. Try these ginger-based methods. Massage the swollen feet with warm ginger oil multiple times a day. Alternatively, chew on raw ginger slices. Or consume 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily. Ginger's active compounds aid in reducing sodium levels, a common cause of swelling. Technique 5. Dandelion's diuretic properties. Discover the diuretic qualities of dandelion, an herbal remedy that aids in reducing excess fluid retention and maintaining a healthy sodium balance. Here's how to use dandelion effectively. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried dandelion leaves with a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for 5 minutes before straining. Drink this dandelion tea 2 to 3 times a day for optimal results. Consult your doctor before incorporating dandelion tincture or supplements into your routine. Technique 6. The importance of exercise. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in improving circulation and reducing foot swelling. Consider the following exercises. Engage in swimming, an excellent low-impact exercise that helps reduce swelling and relieve pain. Aim for a brisk walk or jog for at least 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Perform leg strengthening and stretching exercises tailored to alleviate swelling. Incorporate daily yoga sessions to improve blood flow and enhance overall foot health. Technique 7. Maintaining a magnesium-rich diet. Proper magnesium intake can help prevent and manage swollen feet due to edema. Include these magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, soybeans, avocado, bananas, and dark chocolate. Consult your doctor before considering magnesium supplements to ensure they are suitable for you. Additional tips and precautions. Elevating your legs, limiting salt and caffeine intake. Opting for fresh fruits and vegetables. Staying hydrated. Avoiding prolonged sitting. And wearing compression stockings during long trips are additional measures to alleviate and prevent foot swelling. Join us in this informative guide to relieve swollen feet naturally. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the causes and step-by-step instructions for each technique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this valuable information with others who may benefit from these remedies. Take control of your foot health and bid farewell to swollen feet today.